going beautiful.
Chicken burger with Shin ramen, yeah?
Going beautiful, yeah? Bim, Korean fried chicken, crumb with the Shin ramen. See you at home.
Came up rooftop barbecue area of my apartment, and today is beautiful weather as you can see, so I wanted to eat out my KFC burger. Really good, a little bit windy, so let me get a table. Oh, look at this visual, the Shin ramen paste with Shin ramen crust, chicken thigh, herb salad and red cabbage slow. Let's see what Coke first. Let's eat. 잘 먹겠습니다. Pretty big. Last bite.
You want some?
Really big. Oh, double patty of the chicken. And slow. Oh, I cooked this one like an hour earlier, but still very nice. One Shin ramen packet, I think you can do 2 burger out of it. Yeah guys, today I had a eat out at rooftop with nice weather. This is Jin Can Cook. If you like my recipe and video, please like and subscribe my channel. You guys have a great night and have a beautiful life. Don't forget, if Jin can cook, you can do anything, yeah? See you, bye!